Hi, I am Bhanvi Menghani and this is my task 2 for my data science internship at the Sparks Foundation. This is my first task on linear regression with Python and using the scikit-learn library. In this section, I have basically used the scikit-learn library to implement simple linear regression function. First of all, what is the task or the data set which I have chosen? In my data set, we have basically chosen the marks of we have to basically predict the marks of the student upon the data set in which the number of hours they study and the scores are given. So first of all, we have implemented all the basic libraries as Python, Pandas, as NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Next, we have taken our data set, which is essentially the data set containing the hours of number of hours the student studies and its scores. Now we have basically loaded this data set using the Pandas data frame and we have given a print statement. Now we have also had a look at the first 10 entries of the data set of the respective hours and the scores the people get. Next, we have done a simple 2D plotting with hours at the x-axis and the score the student receives at the y-axis, and this gives us pretty much a simple line or a linear line. It shows basically that the x and y variables are linearly correlated. So we have also tried to plot a line upon this in the next parts of the algorithm. Okay, there is a positive linear relationship between the number of hours studies and the percentage of the score the people have get. Now our first step is to prepare the data. We have separated the whole data set into two parts, the x part and the y part, x data set and the y data set, which x basically contains the number of hours and y contains the marks they get. Then we have implemented a model. We have called upon our train test split from our model, and basically we have provided a test size of 0.2, which is basically 20% of the whole data set, and we have basically split the data set into train and test parts. This is very essential to basically check the accuracy of our model. Next, we have trained the algorithm using the linear regression model from the sklearn library. Now, this linear regression model is basically encoded, has a mathematical and statistical code behind it, which can be studied in depth in the few lessons. And we have called upon the dot fit method to basically fit it through the fit the regressor or the model to the trained data set. And we have printed the training is completed. Next, we have basically plotted the regression line. This line is basically depicts the concept of y is equals to m into x plus c. So this is basically a simple line equation, which is wherein the y or the line which we need to plot is equals to m into x, where m is the slope or the coefficient of the regressor, and x is the data set x values of the data set, and c is basically the intercept, the y-intercept which we have. Now we have plotted the same thing for the test data. We have given a scatter plot for the x and the y-axis, and we have also plotted a line over it, which can be seen. Next, we have tried to make a prediction. So we have tried to predict the y values using the x on the test values of on the regressor, the linear regressor which was trained on the x data. After predicting, we have basically compared the actual values and the predicted values, and it shows that our model has performed really well. Now we can also test it with random data which we have provided of our own, which is not present in the data set, and we have taken 9.25 for this purpose. So this is the format of the hours and the scores which we have tried to predict here, and shows the predicted score of 93.6. Now we have our final step is to basically evaluate the performance of the algorithm, and this is very important, wherein we have called upon three matrices to evaluate the mean squared error, the mean absolute error, and root mean squared errors, and they have shown different values. This basically completes our model evaluation. Thank you.